Hey guys, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford. We're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2016 Ford F-150 in XLT trim in the beautiful magnetic color. Such a classic color, beautiful flake in this paint, eye-catching. This crew cab is powered by a 5-liter V8 gas engine, so plenty of towing and hauling capabilities in this half-ton. Having a look into the back here, you've got a spray and bed liner, so you're not going to have to worry about any cargo, anything like that. You throw back there, not going to mess up the box. Got the sport package on here, so you're going to get that great center console. When we hop inside, we'll have a look at that. Really nice, simple running boards there, blacked out, beautiful gray rims there to go with your beautiful magnetic paint color. Just a really good looking truck. So into the back crew cab, of course there's always a ton of room back here because it's actually what we call a super crew. You've got 60/40 folding bench seats here, so you throw that up, and then you've got a ton of room for flat storage as well as some under seat storage there, very handy, and the seats flip up and down very easily. Passengers have their own heating vents back here, so they're going to be nice and comfortable. And then you've got your 110 volt 400 watt power converter as well as a 12 volt power source just below that. So those are really handy if you're camping. Household items you can plug in and utilize that right from your pickup. You do have your keyless entry pad here, so you get a unique 5-digit pin, can't talk today. That's going to allow you to lock and unlock your vehicle without having to utilize your keys. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows, great door storage. There's a lot of great soft touches to the F-150s. It's really nice. You've got power adjustable seats, gray cloth upholstery as you would have seen in the back there. So durable, not going to show stains, easy to care for. Over here, just to pop in, you do have your lights on your mirrors there, your controls for your headlights, your dash brightness, and then you also have a cargo light in the back box there as well, and power adjustable pedals as well to go with the seats. So as you can see, bottom left-hand corner of our little digital display on our dash, this unit is sitting at 42,924.5 kilometers. You've got the informative dash, so you can bring up all sorts of things here. Off-road status, power distribution, towing, all sorts of things. Whatever you want to know, basically your dash is going to be able to tell you. That's all controlled via those buttons here. Then you have cruise control settings just below that. Over to your right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your infotainment and Bluetooth controls. And then you've got this really great layout here for your infotainment system. You've got AM, FM radio, CD, Sirius with subscription, Bluetooth, auxiliary and USB connections, everything you're going to want to need. And just below that, there is your HVAC control. Nice simple layout. Turn dials for your fan speed and heat, and then buttons for your locations. 4x4 options are on the turn dial there, as well as your trailer backup assist and trailer brake controller. So like I was saying, lots of great towing and hauling capabilities. Some great storage there just in front of your shifter with your USB port there and your 12 volt power source. That slides closed for you. 2 cup holders by your gear shift. And then as I was saying, the Sport, you get this beautiful center console with both shallow and deep options for storage. You've got another 12 volt power source there. Form meets function in this beautiful truck. So if you would love to take this beautiful truck for a test drive, you have 2 options. You can give us a call, 250-563-8111, or better yet, come on down and visit us and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.